Hello everyone, today I will go to show you the Redmi 6 Pro running under MIUI 10 beta weekly stable which made by XiamoiEU project. Phone is running Xiaomi MIUI 10 version. It's localized and not based on China, and it is actually I like it more than regular China stable version. As you can see, let me show you. It's MIUI 10 by XiamoiEU, and as you can see, it's a weekly beta stable, and its installation is done with the TVRP project, which is on my other video. I showed how to install the TVRP on Redmi 6 Pro special version developed by me. The rest is nearly same, and it is working much faster than the China stable 9.6.12 ROM. I'm pretty happy with this and will continue to use this ROM, and we will share my experience. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.